Miss Mike Justin de la Cruz Pagasian, BSMT-5. The ideal route. The route provided the weather service agency. Beside the actual route taken by the vessels can be tracked by ship owners and others related authorities in real time. Ship owners can easily monitor variation in vessel speed, ETA, and other factors using big data, thus ensuring that voyage goes as per original plans and remains profitable in the long run. Sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng malalaking datos, maaaring subaybayan ng may-ari ng barko at kinaukulan ng serbisyo. Panahon sa totoong oras, this proactive approach helps to mitigate risks, minimize delays, and maximize efficiency throughout the journey. Nagbibigay sa kanila ng kakayahang masusuring bantayan ang magbabago sa bilis ng barko, oras ng pagdating ng panroroonan at iba pang pahalagang impormasyon. Sa pamamagitan ng ganitong paraan, ability to adhere closely to the original plans and respond effectively to change ensures that the voyage remains profitable in the long run.